Hello student, today we will learn about the standard 10 chapter number 1, that is chemical reaction and the equation. Let's start with the definition first. The chemical reaction. What is the meaning of chemical reaction? It is the process in which one or more substance form a new substance and it can't be reversed by the physical method. Means by the process the reactant are used which are react to each other and form a new substance. Reactant may be a one or more than one happen. What are the physical methods that we already study in the 9th standard? There are several physical methods like the centrifugation, distillation, evaporation, filtration, etc. In this kind of chemical reaction, we cannot separate the substance by the physical method. How can we know that either is a reaction is chemical or a physical? There are some properties by which we can identify the reaction is a chemical reaction. In that, maybe occur during the reaction the change in the state, the substance change their color, substance change their temperature, and at the last process the evolution of the gases occur. These all are the properties by which we can identify that this process is chemical reaction. Now, chemical reaction happen in our daily life. For example, the digestion of food, that is also an example of the chemical reaction. Respiration, rusting of the iron, formation of the curd. These all are example of the chemical reaction, because in this reaction the substance form a new product and which cannot be reversed back. That's why we consider this reaction as a chemical reaction. Now, let's see the chemical equation. What is the chemical equation and what is the role of it for the chemical reaction? Chemical equation, that is a symbolic representation of the chemical reaction. In that, the two things are used, one that is a reactant and another one that is a product. What is the meaning of reactant? Reactant means who take part in the chemical reaction, while the product, the substance which are formed in a chemical reaction, is called the product. For example, when the magnesium ribbon is burnt, or you can say it is react with the oxygen, that gives us a magnesium oxide. Here you can see what are the reactant. In this reaction, the magnesium and the oxygen both are react with each other. So, the magnesium and the oxygen that are considered as a reaction. While the reaction between the magnesium and the oxygen, the new product is formed, that is magnesium oxide. So, we consider a magnesium oxide as a product. Here magnesium and the oxygen, air means oxygen, that is a reaction, while the magnesium oxide that we consider as a product. Now let's see what is the definition of chemical equation. A chemical reaction can be represented by the chemical equation. It is nothing but just it is a symbolic representation of the substance and reactant and the product with mention in physical state. What is the meaning of physical state? Physical state means the substance are either a solid form, liquid form, gaseous form or aqueous form that we have to denote. What is the meaning of aqueous? Aqueous means if we are getting the substance in a soluble form of water, then we consider it as an aqueous solution. Let's take one example by which you can easily understand. Magnesium ribbon burnt in the air means with the oxygen give us magnesium oxide. Here magnesium ribbon means Mg, that is react with the oxygen. Here the magnesium, it is a form of solid, whereas the oxygen, it is form of gaseous. Both are react with each other, so we can describe it by the symbolic method. For the magnesium we denote as Mg, and other reactant which is react in the process, that we can add by the denoting sign plus between them. Either it is 2 or 3, we can add it by the plus sign other substance. Here you can see the two substances are used, two substance which is as a reactant, Mg and the oxygen. This both the substance, both the reactant react with each other and form a magnesium oxide. After both the reactant reaction, it is process is denoted as an arrow. At the tail portion of the arrow always written the reactant, while at the head portion of the arrow always written the product. Here you can see in the example that Mg plus O2 both are the reactants, so we represent at the tail side of the arrow, whereas the MgO means the magnesium oxide, that is a product, so we denoted at the head portion of the arrow. Now let's see the physical state. How mentioned, all the physical state, it is depend on the substance that is found in particular state. Here you can see the magnesium that is found in the solid state, so we denoted as S, whereas oxygen it is in gaseous form, so we denoted as a G. Whereas the MgO means the magnesium oxide, it is also found as a form of solid, so we denoted as a S. While the aqueous solution means it is a solution in which the solvent is water. In that condition we can use AQ in the bracket.